Withdrawing money from Venmo to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure smooth transfer. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your balance. Tap on the icon or the Manage Balance option to view your Venmo balance. This will show you how much money you have available to withdraw. Step 3. Select Transfer to Bank. Choose the option that says Transfer to Bank or Withdraw. This will initiate the process of moving funds from your Venmo account to your linked bank account. Step 4. Choose Transfer Speed. You will be prompted to select the speed of your transfer. You can choose between an instant transfer, which incurs a fee and is completed quickly, or standard transfer, which is free but may take 1 minute 3 business days. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Review the details of your transfer, including the amount in the bank account you are sending it to. Once everything is correct, confirm the transfer to complete the process. After completing these steps, your funds will be on their way to your bank account. Make sure to check your bank account after the specified time to confirm the transfer has been completed successfully.